Welcome back, guys. Welcome on my YouTube channel Asees Official. In this video I will tell you about how to make the cloth shop ID card or visiting card. Here you can see the sample which I make in Meswed. So in this video I will tell you the whole procedure of making cloths visiting card. So before starting the video, please subscribe my YouTube channel to watch my upcoming videos and like my videos. Thank you. So I will close this one, and my first step is to open MS Word, and after it I will go to page layout, click on size and select the size, width 3.5 and height 2. Now I will go click on margins and decrease the margin top and bottom to 0.5. Click OK. So it is the standard size of ID card or visiting card. After it I will arrange the ruler in this way in all direction. After it I will go to insert, click on shapes and take a rectangle in this way, and go to format, select shape outline with no outline and shape color with, I will choose this one in this way. Now I will add text. I will write the name of the cloth, name of the shop, and after it I will select this one, click on bold, decrease the size, increase the size and make it italic in this way. Now I will go to insert, click on pictures and select the pictures you want to insert. Here I will select those pictures one by one. Go to wrap text and select in front of text in this way, and I will decrease to 0.6 in this way. Now I will go to insert, click on pictures and select this one, click insert, go to wrap text and select in front of text. Now I will decrease the size in this way. Now I will select again picture and I will insert it, go to wrap text and select in front of text and select in front of text and click on send backward. In this way. Now again I will go to insert, click on pictures and select the picture which I want to insert in this way. Now I will select wrap text to in front of text and decrease the size of the print in this way. Now I will select again the picture and insert, go to wrap text and select in front of text. Now I will decrease the size and send backward in this way, and again I will go to picture, select the picture and insert and click on wrap text to select in front of text in this way, and send backward in this way. Now I will go to insert, click on shapes, select a text box, and here I will mention the items which I will be displayed, like shirts, pants, ties, coats, etc. I will select whole one, put the bullet in this way, and decrease the size in this way. Now I will select this whole one and change the color in this way, in this way, in this way. Now I will select this one, go to format and select shape outline with no outline. Now I will go to insert. Now I will go to insert shapes, or I will go to click on save as and select the file, this one, and save. Now I will select word art in this way. Here I will mention the address, shop number 21, main road, Elizabeth, in this way. So I will decrease the size to 10, make it italic, and click OK. Now I will select wrap text and I will choose in front of text in this way, and I will decrease the size in this way. Now I will choose the design, like I am choose this one, or I am choosing this one, and select shape outline with no outline. And second one I will put pictures. And here I will use the logo of WhatsApp. Go to wrap text and select in front of text and decrease the size in this way, Now I will take insert and one text box. I will put the number in this way. I will select whole one to decrease and make it bold, in this way, and shape outline with no outline. Now I will again go to insert, click on pictures and select the picture, click on wrap text and select in front of text and select the picture in this way, Now I will go to again choose this one with the help of control key, and here I will write the name Al Arab cloths, and Al Arab cloths. Class in this way. Now I will choose the picture in this format. Go to wrap text and select in front of text, and I will decrease the size in this way, and put it here. Now here I will put the clip art building, and select the building you want. Go to wrap text and select in front of text, and I will adjust this and select this one in this one. So you can see the chart cloths ID card. If I want to choose the page color, now I will choose. So you can see it, that how I make it, or I can choose anyone in this way. So please subscribe my YouTube channel to get more knowledge about all of these, and if you like my video, please click on like button. Thank you.